Okay, guys, we are in El Salvador. Yay! This is our new place.
It's Simba off Lion King.
Simba! Not this way. Alright, guys, this is our view right here. Look at the view. Ooh! We got volcanoes in the background. We love the views. We love El Salvador.
Right there.
Okay, so guys, like I was telling you, I was waiting to come on this balcony to show you guys our view.
Oh, who is interested in the background?
And then in this room behind us, we can watch TV. We can take care of business. We can get some quiet space. We're about to take pictures though. And we were going swimming today, but we're gonna have to do that tomorrow. Babe, you can put her down, babe. Babe, she can cry. He said no. He not putting his baby down. But yeah, guys,